Hello and welcome to the EI Cryptoverse. If you're interested in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, you've come to the right place. Here on our channel, we explore the latest trends, news, and analysis in the ever-changing world of digital assets. From Bitcoin to Ethereum and beyond, we delve into the exciting world of cryptocurrency and how it's changing the way we think about money and investments. So sit back, relax, and join us on a journey through the EI Cryptoverse. The 2023 recession was a global economic downturn that lasted for almost 2 years. The recession was triggered by a number of factors, including the COVID-19 pandemic, trade tensions between major economies, and rising inflation rates. During the recession, the global economy experienced a significant decline in economic output, which resulted in job losses, business closures, and financial instability. Governments and central banks responded to the recession with a range of monetary and fiscal policies, including massive stimulus packages, lower interest rates, and increased government spending. Over the past few months, we have started to see some promising signs of recovery. The stock market has been on a steady upward trend, and major indexes have hit new all-time highs. This is a good indication that investors are regaining confidence in the economy and are optimistic about the future prospects of businesses. Additionally, unemployment rates have been slowly declining, which is another positive sign for the economy. As more people return to work, consumer spending and economic activity will likely increase, which will further contribute to economic growth. It's worth noting that the recovery from a recession is often a slow and gradual process. While we've seen some positive indicators, there may still be some bumps in the road ahead. Nevertheless, it's clear that the worst of the recession is behind us, and we can look forward to a brighter economic future. Now, let's turn our attention to the world of cryptocurrencies. As you may know, the crypto market has been quite volatile over the past few years. However, some cryptocurrencies have been showing steady growth and have been relatively stable during the recession. Such as Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency, and it has been around for over a decade. It is a decentralized digital currency that operates on a blockchain network. Despite experiencing some dips during the 2023 recession, Bitcoin has remained a popular investment option for many traders, and it has demonstrated remarkable resilience in the face of economic uncertainty. During the early stages of the recession, Bitcoin experienced a significant drop in price, falling from a high of around $60,000 in early 2023 to below $30,000 in mid-2023. This drop in price was largely due to a combination of market volatility, regulatory concerns, and general economic uncertainty. However, as the recession comes to an end and the economy shows signs of recovery, the price of Bitcoin has started to rise again. In fact, at the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading at around $50,000, which is close to its all-time high. The resurgence of Bitcoin is due in part to growing acceptance of cryptocurrency as a legitimate investment asset, as well as increased institutional adoption. Many major companies and financial institutions have started to invest in Bitcoin, and some have even begun to accept it as a form of payment. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, and it is a decentralized blockchain platform that enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications. It was created by Vitalik Buterin in 2015, and it has gained popularity among developers and investors alike. One of the reasons for Ethereum's popularity is its versatility. It allows developers to build and launch decentralized applications, dApps, on its blockchain network. This has led to the development of a wide range of innovative projects, including decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and other blockchain-based applications. As a result of its growing popularity, the value of Ethereum has seen a steady increase over the past few years. During the 2023 recession, Ethereum also experienced a dip in value, falling from a high of around $4,000 in May to below $2,000 in July. However, like Bitcoin, its value has also started to rise again as the recession comes to an end. In addition to its versatility and potential for innovation, Ethereum is also seen as a more environmentally friendly option compared to Bitcoin. Ethereum has recently transitioned to a more energy-efficient consensus mechanism known as proof of stake, POS, which reduces the amount of energy required for mining. While Ethereum has shown promise as an investment option, it is important to note that investing in cryptocurrency carries a high degree of risk, and the market can be extremely volatile. It is always recommended to do your own research and to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2013 as a lighthearted joke by two software engineers. The currency is named after the popular internet meme of the Shiba Inu dog, which serves as its logo. Despite being created as a joke, Dogecoin has grown in popularity over the years and has become a legitimate investment option for many traders. One of the reasons for Dogecoin's popularity is its low price point, which makes it accessible to a wide range of investors. Additionally, the currency has gained a strong following on social media, with many celebrities and influencers promoting it on various platforms. However, it's important to note that investing in Dogecoin is highly speculative and carries a high degree of risk. The value of Dogecoin can be extremely volatile, and it is not backed by any tangible assets. The currency's value is largely determined by market demand and sentiment, which can change rapidly. Furthermore, unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have a finite supply, Dogecoin has an unlimited supply, which means that its value can be impacted by inflation over time. One cryptocurrency that has shown promise recently is Cardano, ADA. Launched in 2017, Cardano is a blockchain platform that aims to provide a more secure and sustainable infrastructure for decentralized applications and smart contracts. It was created by IOHK, a blockchain research and development firm co-founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum. Cardano's technology is based on a unique proof-of-stake consensus algorithm called Ouroboros. Unlike other proof-of-work systems used by cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ouroboros is designed to be more energy efficient and scalable, allowing for more transactions to be processed in a shorter amount of time. One of the key features of Cardano is its focus on academic research and peer-reviewed development. The platform is designed to be highly adaptable, with the ability to integrate new technologies and ideas as they emerge. This approach has attracted a lot of attention from developers and investors alike, and many believe that Cardano has the potential to become a major player in the blockchain space. In terms of market performance, Cardano has already shown strong growth in 2021, with its value increasing by over 1,000% since the beginning of the year. While the value of ADA has been subject to some volatility, many analysts believe that it has the potential to continue growing in the future as more developers and companies adopt the Cardano platform. Thanks for tuning into our video on the best cryptocurrencies to buy as the 2023 recession comes to an end. We hope that you found this information helpful as you navigate the world of digital assets and make investment decisions. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies carries a high degree of risk, and it's always important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on the exciting world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.